So we've got some quite interesting update on a new development kit that we've now been working on for the Mini generation. There has been previously where we've been able to do CarPlay for these, but they've had to have the existing navigation built into the actual screen. So we've been unable to add CarPlay upgrades to it because the connectors are very different on the back. And also a lot of the time you wouldn't know until you actually pull the head unit out. But we are now pleased to announce that we can now offer fully integrated CarPlay into majority of the later and previous generation Minis, even if you didn't have navigation spec'd from factory. So this particular one's come in, very, very basic bog standard head unit in this one. So we've actually added integrated CarPlay, and we've also added a very nice integrated rear camera into this particular one. So I'll just show you inside here in terms of how this looks. So the main screen and everything else is as it was previously. But now we've actually integrated into the main head unit. So this we actually have to replace a circuit board within the actual head unit itself. So it's more of a factory fit option rather than other solutions where we're adding a separate box. But this is a fully integrated kit. It doesn't need any external microphone because it utilizes the full original Bluetooth for sound. So it connects wirelessly via wireless and Bluetooth for sound, but also for the phone when you're making calls, that's just automatically routed straight through the Mini interface as well. So it's proper sort of fully integrated system. So I'll just obviously just show you. So you hold down basically the back button here on the actual jog dial interface, and then as you see that instantly comes in now with CarPlay. And then you've got options here on, obviously scrolling through on the jog dial. As you can see, there is absolutely no lag whatsoever, like a lot of the other sort of cheaper variant kits on the market. This one, it's really sort of a smooth interface, very, very quick within here, and obviously showing all the obvious options that you would have within CarPlay. It's very user friendly in here, and obviously just adds a whole new dimension to your Mini, which is obviously lacking CarPlay, as you can see. So if you're interested, if you've got one of these, we will be contacting a lot of customers who have obviously inquired previously that we said we couldn't do this, but now we can offer solutions now to certain generations of Minis that didn't have the navigation option from new. We can now fully integrate this. So if you're interested in upgrading to CarPlay in your Mini, this is actually a 2019 John Cooper Works, this particular one. So we can obviously do this year and previous years. I'll put the full specs on the video on YouTube in terms of all the years that we can now cover, but if there is any more information, then please get in touch here at TTW Installations.